and you just bite into it. It's not satisfying.
You don't like the little Cummies pizza roll? You don't like that one? State of his situation where he's at before he's just like, penis! And I live in my own house. The only one who's gonna hear me shout penis really loud is Mark. And let's be honest, wouldn't be anything he hasn't heard before, chat. Dees, penis. Chat, did you hear that? I just heard from the other room, penis! In my dear husband's voice. Heal me up, mom and dad. It's time to go fuck around with basement daddy. Do you marry for nuggies or for art? No, Whitney just fucks for nuggies.
Yes.
Berries and cream. I'm the little lad that loves berries and cream. Wait, Whitney, question. I'm gonna be your eye doctor for a second. Which is more cursed? 1 or 2? 1 Kakarot or 2?
About the same. Number 1 might be a tiny bit better.
Let's get in on it. I don't know if I'm allowed to do that. It's just pasta. I am math. Math is me. I mean, if you've got a dick that's really 2 dicks, I mean, you gotta, right?
3, 1, 2. Was that the bite of 87?
Butterfly in the sky, I can go twice as high. Take a look, it's in a book. The We're gonna do it. We're gonna get those motherfucking skin doctors to give us an appointment. The state of healthcare in the United States is absolute dog shit, but I have insurance, so it shouldn't be this difficult. What the actual fuck? Believe it. Spider dicks, does whatever a spider dick does. I've listened to a lot of podcast content covering biblical literalists over the last 2 weeks. Oscar, I'm sorry. Sometimes you stare into the sun, or you listen into the sun. It's like, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Hello, how are you doing? And somebody pulls up a clip and it's like just 10 minutes of like the proverbial you being like butthole, 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 butthole. And it's like, maybe I need to look at my clips
This is the Alchemy Lab.
Ooh.
I'm very particular about.
This one smells like a campfire. It's awesome.
I'm very particular about my scents. And I like.
I don't know if I like that. It's straight. That's like straight up being caught in a burning forest. Like, what the hell? What the hell? Why do you want your house to smell like smoke damage?
Oh my god!
Literally. This is the smell of smoke damage. I love that they're all dying.